What's up, kings and queens? Welcome back to another video from This Is ZZ TV. I am currently outside right now because I can't believe my eyes. You see that? It is actually snowing. In Texas, normally when they say it's going to snow, it normally doesn't snow, or it may be just a little sleet. Look, there go the pizza man. Oh, he gone. Normally when they say it's going to snow in Texas, it be just a little sleet or maybe just a little ice. But today it's actually sticking. You can see it good. Like, where's the trash can? Oh, right now it seems like it's melting just a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to melt. But I can't believe it's snowing. We don't get a lot of snow, so this is exciting. I can't build no I can't make a snowball or nothing though, but let's look at the grass so you can see it a little bit. You see it on there? Yeah, it's snowing. Now let me go get back out of this ice because I know the phone is getting wet. But yep, that's what's going on today. At least in certain parts of Texas. Let me see. It's just coming down. Everybody be safe out there, because people can't even drive when it's dry. So they definitely can't drive when it's rain or hail, snow, sleet. Just be safe. Just be safe. I need to go in the backyard. Let me see. The gate is probably locked. Oh my. Let me see. Yeah, that gate locked. Okay, it's slippery out here. Let me get back in. Okay, so I'm in the backyard. Just look at the snow. It's really coming down. I underestimated the weather this time, because when a friend texted me and was like, it's supposed to snow Sunday, I was like, yeah, I'll believe it when I see it. So I was just like, I don't really think it's going to do anything. But I kept looking at my phone and I kept checking the weather, and it went up to like from 50% chance to like 90%. I said, oh, it may actually snow. And here we have it. Look at my footprints. My baby wants to come out here, but I don't want, her to start getting cold or anything, because my hand is freezing. I took the glove off so I could hold the camera with the phone. Let's see. We can see the trees. Yep. Oh wow. My footprints is all in the backyard. So that's it for this vlog, guys. I just wanted to show you that it is actually snowing in Texas. Like I said, it doesn't really snow in Texas like that. I think the last time I remember it snowing was either 2015 or 2016. And here it is, 2021. And we have some snow. I will talk to you, kings and queens, in the next video.